In today's video, I will explain Pacdora's pricing plans and help you decide which plan is right for your needs. I will also share how you can get almost 63% off on the pricing plans, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get started, you can use the first link in description to create your free account if you don't already have one. Before talking about paid plans, let's talk about the free plan. It provides you with some limited capabilities to test Pacdora. And if you are not sure about going for paid plans, you can test it first on the free plan and then make a decision later based on your experience. Now, let's explore the paid plans. Pacdora offers 3 plans: Light, Pro, and Business. Starting with the Light plan, this is Pacdora's entry-level plan designed for beginners who want access to the essential tools, and it costs $14 per month. Talking about the features, first, the Light plan removes all watermarks from your exports, allowing you to create clean, professional designs. Exporting Dieline templates is not supported in the Light plan. Moving on to export quality, you can export rendered images at a maximum resolution of 2K. For rendered videos, the maximum export quality is 720p. If you are using AI-generated backgrounds, those can also be exported at a maximum resolution of 2K. Another important point is that the Light plan is intended for personal use only. If you need commercial usage rights, you will need to upgrade to the Business plan. You receive 300 AI credits every month, and you also get access to all of Pacdora's major AI tools, including AI design, AI creation, AI video, AI background, and AI logo. Next, let's move on to the Pro plan. This plan is designed for serious creators and professionals who need more advanced features and higher export limits. The Pro plan costs $29 per seat per month. It includes everything available in the Light plan, along with several additional features. Just like the Light plan, all watermarks are removed from your exports. However, one major upgrade is that you now get unlimited Dieline template exports. This can be extremely useful if you frequently work with packaging and product design projects. For export quality, the maximum rendered image resolution increases from 2K to 4K. Video export quality also improves from 720p to 1080p, allowing you to create much higher quality presentations and product showcases. Another feature included in the Pro plan is the ability to generate HTML code and remove the Pacdora sharing logo. This gives you more flexibility when sharing and embedding your work. The Pro plan also introduces collaboration features. You get access to invites and team management tools, making it easier to work with multiple people. In addition, you can share content directly with workspace members. However, it is important to note that despite these collaboration features, the Pro plan is still limited for personal use only. Now let's look at the AI features included in the Pro plan. Instead of 300 AI credits, you receive 3,000 AI credits every month. These credits are updated monthly and can be used across all AI tools. You continue to get access to AI design, AI creation, AI video, AI background, and AI logo.
Finally, let's take a look at the Business plan, designed for businesses that need full commercial rights, premium export quality, and larger AI usage limits. The Business plan costs $99 per seat per month. It includes everything available in the Pro plan, plus several additional upgrades. The first major improvement is export quality. The maximum rendered image resolution increases to 8K, allowing you to create extremely high-quality visuals suitable for professional and commercial projects. Rendered videos can be exported at up to 2K resolution, providing significantly better quality than the Pro plan. Another exclusive feature is access to advanced Dieline template functionality. If you regularly work on packaging projects, this can provide additional tools and flexibility that are not available in the lower-tier plans. Perhaps the biggest advantage of the Business plan is that it includes commercial use and resale rights. Unlike the Light and Pro plans, which are intended for personal use only, the Business plan allows you to use your creations commercially and even resell them where applicable. Now let's talk about the AI features. The Business plan includes 10,000 AI credits every month, which is more than 3 times the allocation offered by the Pro plan. Just like the other plans, these credits are refreshed monthly and can be used across AI design, AI creation, AI video, AI background, and AI logo. At the bottom of the pricing page, Pacdora also mentions that if you are purchasing for an organization or educational institution, you can contact their team directly to discuss special team or education discounts. Now, let's see how you can get some discounts. The first method is to go for annual billing, as it offers you a 43% discount. And you can get even more discount. Compare the features and select a plan of your choice. On the checkout page, you will find the option to enter a promotion code. Type TECH and hit Enter. You can see we have received a 20% discount and the total price has been reduced. And if you combine it with the annual discount, you almost get a 63% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. So, this was everything you need to know about Pacdora AI pricing plans and discounts available. If you want to know how you can get a discount on Lovable AI, which is an amazing AI website builder, then check out this video right here.